So example 1, I'm going to walk you through this one just to show you the order again, and then after that one, you'll do one on your own. Example 1, let's do f of x equal okay. I know I'm going to have to factor this, so I'm going to show you if I factor it. Okay, I'm going to factor it for you. So those are the numbers that multiply to that number but add to the middle number, right? Like 1 times 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. So again, we already went through all these parts, but I'm going to show you the order I should suggest you do this. So I suggest we find our y-intercept first. Okay. For the y-intercept, who is always 0, the x or the y? X. So there, I already know that one. Where should I plug x0 into, this form or this form? They're both right. Yeah, they're both right. No, they're both right. But I do suggest this one. I think it's a little bit easier. Okay, so, but even if you don't remember that, if I plug 0 here, it's going to work. If I plug 0 here, it's going to work. It works on both. Okay, so what's 0 squared? What's 5 times 0? 0 squared, 0. 4 times 0, 0. So what's the only thing left? Negative 6 over 3, which is really just negative 2. So negative 6 over 3 is really just negative 2. There's the y-intercept. Okay. Again, you might forget to plug it in right away, so you could still plug it in over here. Okay. Now, I have two things that are the same on the top and the bottom. Those cancel. Look on your notes. Okay, don't just say it off wing because it's hard to remember at first. Who is the ones that cancel? The whole. Okay, it's a whole. Yeah, it takes a while to remember them, but once you do a few, you're going to it'll start to stick. Okay, so the whole is the ones that canceled. So the x is negative 1 because that's x plus 1. So it's the opposite, right? And I plug in that x back into the leftovers. So here are my leftovers. To get the y. And so if I plug in negative 1 in here and negative 1 in here, negative 1 minus 6, negative 7, negative 1 plus 3 is 2. Or I could actually divide those two numbers and I could have said 3/5, negative 3.5, sorry, 3.5. Either way. We good? Everybody understood where all those numbers came from? Yeah? Okay. Look on your notes, okay, who is the top one that doesn't cancel? Who is that? It is the x minus 6, but what's the name of it? X-intercept, okay, that's your x-intercept. And so if I solve that, the x is 6. What's the y value of the x-intercept? Always 0. Notice the amount of math is very little. Okay, it's just really knowing, the only thing you're doing is who is who. Okay, who is the bottom one? Like, what's the name of it? The bottom that doesn't cancel. Vertical asymptote. Is that a point or an equation? It's an equation because it's a line, right? It's a vertical line. So x equal negative 3. Notice how fast we're doing it now, right? Like earlier it's slow because we're trying to explain everything, but now it's just extracting all the data. Okay, only thing left is our domain. According to this problem, what can x never be? 0 at the bottom, but what are the two numbers that cost the 0 at the bottom? Negative 3 and negative 1. Okay, if you lost that, why negative 3, negative 1? Bless you. Because of these two. Remember, the bottom can never be 0. So if you do plug those in there, you're going to get zeros. Okay, so negative infinity. Who comes first, negative 3 or negative 1 from left to right? Negative 3. From negative 3 to, bless you, to negative 1. From negative 1 to infinity. Pretty easy, right? It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just learning who is who. Okay. Any question right now, guys? Okay, let me get you do number 2 on your own. I went through that one with you, but now by yourself. Easy peasy problem, okay? Now, one thing I need to clear up is you don't have to have all those parts. Not all equations have holes. Not all equations have vertical asymptotes. So